And new at 10, one person is dead and 3 are in the hospital after a two-boat crash at Beaver Lake. And tonight we are hearing from the son of the man who died in that crash. According to Arkansas Game and Fish, the two-boat crash happened at around 8:30 Friday night, involving 4 people. All went to the hospital, but one person died.
It's been rough. It's really no words. It's been rough.
54-year-old Joseph, or Joe Sargent, was taken to the hospital in critical condition. When his son Tommy heard the news,
We kind of went into, frantic mode, calling hospitals.
later finding out his dad died.
He was a good dad, good grandpa, good man. He went out doing what he loved. He loved being on that lake in that boat,
An avid sportsman and owner of a plumbing business.
He made me who I am. He got me into plumbing, fishing. 16th birthday bought me a lifetime license because all we do is fish and hunt.
In fact, Tommy says Joe was preparing to go fishing with him Saturday night.
It's in God's plan. It don't always make sense, but he's in a better place.
Tommy says he spoke with his dad 2 hours before that crash. Their final words to each other: "I love you."
It means the world to me,
Grateful for their final words. Now he's telling his dad,
Thank you. I got this.
And according to Tommy, Joe had type 1 diabetes and believes that he could have passed out at the wheel. Now, we did ask Game and Fish about this. Right now, it says it is still investigating. In the meantime, the family is working on funeral arrangements. To donate, head over to our website. That's 5newsonline.com. And as for the other 3 people involved, their identities have not been released.